Hello everyone, welcome to InstaFollowers.go YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about why downloading Instagram stories is important and how to do it. Download Instagram stories anonymously, online and free. Isn't that wonderful? You can even download fixed highlights and live videos. Instagram is one of the best social media services that continuously improves itself and makes the application more usable. Instagram or Insta Stories feature is relatively new, but the feature is already one of the most common elements on Instagram. You can add any photo or video to your story and apply filters, music, questions, and so on. When you are done with editing, you can publish and make it visible to all or a portion of your friends on the list. An Instagram story is available to view for 24 hours. If you created a masterpiece story and want to keep it forever instead of 24 hours, watch more to learn how to save Instagram stories. The story is shared by the people we follow, usually consist of sections of daily life. If you have participated in any activity or have fun, you can share it in a story. You can download your own stories through Instagram, but there is no default feature as downloading other people's Instagram stories. Instagram does not contain features like this to prevent stealing or illegal activities. But you might want to store a story from your friend because the photo or video includes you too. So we got your back on occasions like this. As Insta followers, we care about our customers' safety more than anything. We aim to deliver the highest quality possible, and we are always glad to help you. As always, we are here to help you. With our new Instagram Stories download feature, you can save all the stories you want to, regardless of who the owner is. This process is free. The most critical points that distinguish our website from other story download services is that our site is safe and completely free of charge. The process is also super fast. Let me tell you how to use Instagram Stories downloader tool. If you want to download them on PC, find the Instagram profile you want to download its stories and copy the username. Once you have copied the username of the profile that you want, paste it on the box at the top of the page on our Instagram Stories download page. When you are done with pasting the profile name, click on the download button to proceed. After clicking on the button, you will see all of the current stories of the selected account. Pick the one you want to download by clicking on it. Once you click on the download button under the story, you will view the Instagram story in detail. Click on the three dots under the story. After you click on the three dots, you will have two options. You can either watch the story in full screen or download the story. Click on the download icon to save the Instagram story as the last step. Yes, that's all. If you want to download stories on mobile devices, keep watching. To save stories, log into our site, enter the username of the Instagram user whose stories you want to download, and click download. All the stories of the user will be displayed by our system. Select the story you want to download, click the download button, and wait for the story to open. The story you want appears in a new tab. Here, press the Save Video As button while holding down on the story. The story you want will start to be downloaded. When you complete the steps, you will have the story saved on your computer or your mobile devices. You can use our story downloader tool to save Instagram stories as many as you want. Thank you for choosing Insta followers. Now, I'll give a very brief introduction for our website instafollowers.go. You can buy Instagram followers with instant delivery in 2021. But before we tell you how, let us talk about our features and options. You can buy Instagram likes, followers, views, comments, and reels on instafollowers.go. You can also buy backlinks from quality websites. We also provide services from TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and SoundCloud, and many more. You may have several questions in mind like, why are Instagram followers important? Because buying Instagram followers helps your account get more visibilities, since Instagram has more than 1 billion users around the world. And it is one of the most popular social media platforms. There is no doubt that it is a highly preferred platform nowadays, because it offers a very user-friendly interface. Although it was seen as a copy of the famous Snapchat back in the day, Instagram developed itself very quickly. It offered so many features that people can't even stay away from using. In addition, Instagram came up with so many creative features that even caught Facebook's interest. When we started using social media in its early times, it was purely for entertainment. Yet, social media is not just about that anymore. Today, we can see many brands, companies, and other organizations using social media for profit purposes. Since Instagram became a popular platform, we can see various types of uses of it, either for entertainment or for offer businesses purposes. And if your purpose is to make money on Instagram, you don't have to have business profile at all. You can be an influencer with your personal profile as well. Since Instagram offers short content such as content videos, influencing on Instagram is not difficult. In fact, it is fun. There are many benefits of buying Instagram followers. Buying followers will save you time and grow your account. You may desire to do it in an organic way. However, it is not always possible. Let's say you have opened a souvenir shop and you want to promote it. Instagram is a perfect way to do so. However, you have made a lot of investment for that store and you want to start making money as soon as possible. If you are trying to gain followers organically, you will need to spend time on it between all your work. That is why buying Instagram followers will help you. But how? We have 3 main important things that we keep in mind, like visibility, trust, and organic followers. Let's talk about visibility first. Purchasing Instagram followers will rapidly increase your visibility on the app. What does visibility mean on Instagram? You may ask. It is having the chance to show your content to more people. Trust. When you buy Instagram followers, you are not just increasing the number of followers you have. You also gain the trust of people who visit your profile. Buying. Purchasing is very simple. All you need to do is click to buy Instagram followers page, enter your username in the sections, choose the quantity of followers you want, click the Buy Now, add the cart button, click the Payment button, select the payment methods that are 100% secure and done. That's all you need to know.